Mia by Tanishq marks 275 store milestone with grand launch in Bengaluru *. Bengaluru, 7th March 2026. Mia by Tanishq, one of India's leading fine jewelry brands, has officially launched its 275th store in Kamnahalli, Bengaluru. The event was inaugurated by Ms. Shamla Ramananu, Business Head, Mia by Tanishq, and Mr. Ajay Dwivedi, Regional Business Head South, Titan Company Ltd. The new flagship store celebrated this incredible milestone with irresistible offers and an exciting launch. The curtain raiser was followed by a cultural performance and the Pink Drive where women rode 15 pink scooters through the streets of Kamnahalli in a vibrant 3.5-kilometer-long convoy, finally meeting at the Mia by Tanishq store. The all-women ride featured influencers and models, who came together for a spirited journey filled with music, energy, and celebration as they made their way to the store. Conveniently located at 509, 4th Main, HRBR Layout, 3rd Block, Kamnahalli Main Road, Bengaluru, the store spans across 1,200 square feet, further solidifying the brand's presence across the city. This expansion reflects the brand's commitment to being a go-to destination for stylish, contemporary jewelry. Customers can explore a wide range of elegant pieces, including rings, earrings, bracelets, pendants, neckwear, and mangalsutras, crafted in gold, diamonds, silver, and vibrant gemstones. Customers can also invest in the Golden Harvest scheme with installments starting at just 2,000 rupees and avail exclusive discounts of up to 75% of their monthly investment value on stunning jewelry purchases at any Mia store across the country. To mark the grand store launch, Mia announced its special Joy of Gifting offer where customers can get up to 20% off on select diamond jewelry, and on purchases of 10,000 rupees and above, receive a complimentary 5-gram silver coin star. In celebration of the 275th store milestone, the brand also gave away 275 exclusive gifts available for customers to claim.
Privileged to be associated with Titan and Tanishq and Mia. And this is a very important market for us in Bangalore, and we from the store, we are keen to deliver world-class service to the customer. Very greatly pleased to announce the 275th store. Yeah, so I'm greatly pleased to announce the 275th store association with Titan.
So how you describe from first to 275?
Expensive, but you see, we also cater to special occasions, and this is a sneak preview of our collection which is going to launch only later this month. So you are in fact the first people to even see this. This is again some of our collection for you to have a look at and take pictures of.
You know, the 275th store gives us, we are extremely proud that we're opening this in Namma, Bengaluru. I think, that's the best thing. It deserves a big round of applause to all of us, because this is the city where we are from. And we said that, this is the city that we should open our 275th store. So, first thing, what we are doing is that we are giving out 275 gifts today, tomorrow and day after. So, anybody who walks in can pose. So, Mia has a very unique, it's called a Korean heart, but we say in India it's called paisa. Sorry. Korean heart. Okay. So we're giving out 275 gifts today. So anybody who walks into the store will have to pose with a Korean heart in front of a camera, and we give the printout of that, and he just picks up what he likes. So we're giving out a lot of nice gifts there. We have a 20% off and up to 20% off on our studded products, which is the diamonds, the beautiful diamond, natural diamond products that we have. And along with that, anybody shopping above a certain price points gets a 5-gram silver coin also along with that. So that's the offer for these 3 days. And anybody of you also, can shop. I'm sure the ladies will be loving it.
Yeah, so that's it. So, Shamla Ramanan. I am the business head of Mia by Tanishq. Mia is very proud to inaugurate and open our 275th store in Namma, Bangalore, because Bangalore is our home city, and on this occasion we are very proud that such a milestone store is opening in this beautiful city. Mia is always and has been about lightweight jewelry. We are immensely affordable, everyday wearable jewelry. We call ourselves precious everyday because every woman, we believe, deserves to be precious, deserves to feel very happy about herself, and our jewelry just elevates the way she feels about herself. So we have jewelry which starts at roughly 5,000, studded diamonds, natural diamonds going all the way up to 1 lakh. Some of them go beyond. We are an immensely lovely brand to be gifted. So all the men who are watching this, remember, if you love the women in your life, Mia is the brand for you to go. So we have beautiful collections, and for the next 3 days starting today, we have wonderful offers running in the store. We are giving away 275 gifts every day, today, tomorrow and day after, for everybody who walks into the store. And we also have an up to 20% off, and we also have a gold coin offer on purchase above a certain value. So make the most of it right now, folks, and see you soon in our stores. Thank you so much.